Hey guys, it's me Katie. Welcome back to my channel. Ow, my hair, ow. So don't mind my hair, guys. Don't mind it. So today I'm gonna be showing you my slime collection. I'm sorry guys that I've been posting much, and make sure to subscribe to It's Just Juliana because I love all her slime videos, and they're just so great. So grateful. And then I'm going to be showing you my slime collection. Let's do it. First, I have this slime. This is actually in an LOL container. I don't even know why I put it in there. It's because I want like a whole bunch, so that's why. So in here, we have our slime. Super stretchy. Yeah, it's a purple slime. Super stretchy. And I put some fake, these are fake, this is not real, but put some little candy hearts in it. They cannot see it that much, or either me. But they're just candy hearts. And I just put them for decoration. Here I have this little slime thing that it says cutie. Oh my god, my phone's about to die. Okay, I mean, not that, but fall. So I have this container that says cutie. And then it has that was just horrible. I have this slime that is differently because this one's fluffy slime. What was that? Okay, that was just that. And then I also have this slime that is just like green fluffy slime. And it has sand in it because I like to put some sand in it. You guys can see that. That's sand and glitter. Yeah. This comes in a flour thing. It's because my friends gave me this slime, but it's flour but stretches so much. Because she put some lotion, perfume, and I don't even know what I forgot. And if you follow me, and wait, not follow me, guys. If you guys like subscribe to my channel, like, comment, what's your favorite slime, fluffy slime or whatever slime, and then and tell me what's your favorite animal. Because mine's a dog. Yeah, everybody knows mine's a dog. Because dogs are so cute. They're just so cute. And I just love them so much. That's all my slime. And then, in here, I have some slime in this little container. I don't even know why I put slime in that container. But ow, that just hurt so bad. Ow, ow, ow. I have this slime. But this is, this slime is the one that I made, because I made it blindfolded, but I didn't show you. I didn't show it to you guys because I was like, didn't feel like making stuff in a video, so I just do it like without a video. So yeah, that's all guys for today. Thank you so much for being such good persons. I love you guys. Yeah, peace.